How to redeem V-Bucks card in Epic Games. What we want to do is enter the web version of Epic Games, so just go to epicgames.com, then hover over your account after you have logged in here into the website, and we want to go to account. Now after we're taken to the account page, scroll all the way down here, and from the left hand side you should see redeem code. Click on redeem code, and it will show us this redeem a code, so on and so forth, but we actually want to click on this link here. So redeem a gift card for V-Bucks to use in Fortnite on any supported device. So if we click on this blue text, redeem your V-Bucks card here, it will load up a new website right here. And if we have been logged in from the previous page that I showed you, so the Epic Games page, we can click on get started, and it will ask us for the pin code right here for the V-Bucks card. So you can just type out the code itself, and once you have typed it out, you can just click on next here, and if the code is valid, you will get the V-Bucks added to your account. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.